Emassagechair.com, and today we're excited to introduce to you the all-new Luraco iRobotics 9 massage chair. This is the 9th generation massage chair by Luraco Technologies. It's 100% made in the USA with great quality control and care to the details of this chair. Now we're excited about it because it is not only a brand new 4D massage chair, but it also uses a new track technology as well. It's called the split track. The split track is going to go ahead and massage the upper portion of the back with what we call an S track, and then the lower part is going to be the L track technology. It literally splits so that you can have the best of both of those roller track technologies in one chair. So you get the best of both worlds with this one. The other thing that we're really excited about is their new butterfly style massage. Their rollers are going to mimic the way that the human hands move, but also move in a butterfly shape. This allows for more coverage of the back and under the seat as well, and will just cover more of your body with those rollers, which of course everyone wants more coverage. This chair also features a full body air compression system. This one's excellent. It will go ahead and start up here at the shoulders. These are actually one of the only chairs that will have an adjustable shoulder air compression system, which can be moved up and down using a little lever in the back. So it just slides up and down for taller or shorter users, which is great because this chair will start out at about a user of 5 feet tall, all the way up to about 6 feet 10. So if you have taller and shorter users in your home, this is a great choice. Now down here in the back of the chair, you have air compression for your low back, kind of moves the back and hips side to side. You have air compression for the hand and arm, as well as the calf and the feet. Something else that's new that we love about this chair is that you have the hand and arm rollers underneath the arm and the palm. You have the rollers in conjunction with the air compression, providing a great kneading style hand and arm massage. It's very nice and relaxing. Down onto the ottoman, you do have foot rollers, of course, in the bottoms of the feet. 3 tracks of spinning reflexology rollers will massage the bottoms of your feet. And then behind your calf, you also have some spinning reflexology rollers, providing a kneading style calf massage with the air compression together. It's a really unique experience. It feels great. So also on this chair, you'll notice that it's 100% leather. Now it's smooth and supple to the touch. They did a really beautiful stitching design. It's like a V-shaped pattern that you can see throughout the chair. So not only is it beautiful, but it feels great and very smooth and comfortable. This chair features 9 massage programs, and you can access them on the touchscreen remote. One of our favorite massages from Luraco is their stretching program. They really have a unique stretch program. It really stretches out the ankle, the leg, and the knee. So as it stretches out and elongates in the automatic ottoman, you'll be able to feel a great stretch through the foot, the ankle, and the calf. It feels really nice. Of course, you have stretching through the rest of your body as well, starting up at the neck and shoulders and going down through the spine. The split track allows for, again, a great stretch there. You also have sports massage, a gentle massage. So 9 of those different programs to choose from on the easy-to-use touchscreen remote. You also are able to set up your manual massages. So if you want to target a specific region like the neck or the shoulders or under the seat for the glutes, you can do that. You also have 5 user profiles. So you can set up your whole family on this chair and have a quick and easy to use button for each of you with your name or mom or dad. So that's a really nice, easy to use remote by Luraco. It has a little pocket here on the side. You also have a pocket on the opposite side for your smartphone. On the LE model, it will be a charging dock as well. And on just the regular models, that you can just hold it there. Another new feature on the Luraco iRobotics 9 massage chair is going to be the movable arms. This is great for using to get in and out of the chair easily. There's a knob that's down between the padding that you can access to slide the arm back in order to bring your legs around the chair so that you can get in and out. Now you have access to this on either side of the chair so that you can position this chair in any room of your home so that you can get in and out comfortably based on whichever position in the room works for you. Now, if you have any questions about the all-new Luraco iRobotics 9 massage chair, feel free to give us a call. We are always here to help, and we'd be glad to answer any of your questions. You can give us a call at 888-360-9996. Feel free to chat with us at www.Emassagechair.com or send us an email at support@Emassagechair.com. Thanks for watching.